Hi everyone, welcome back to Yoga with Ramoni. This is day 5 of our 10 for 10 yoga challenge. 10 minutes of yoga for 10 days. Let's get started in a tabletop position. Drop your belly low, arching your back, looking up at the ceiling for cow pose. And now round your spine, pulling your chin in towards your chest for cat pose. Again, cow pose. And cat pose. Come back to tabletop as you curl your toes under, lifting your knees 2 inches off the mat for hovering tabletop. Engage your core, press the mat away from you, look down so that your neck is long and lower the knees down. Let's lift our knees again for hovering tabletop and step back into your high plank this time. In downward facing dog, send your hips up and back. Shift forward back into your high plank, this time pulling your right knee in towards your chest and back into your down dog. And now let's do that again, but bring the left knee into the chest this time. And back into your down dog, and you only have 4 more. Come back into your down dog and take tiny steps all the way to your hands, coming into a forward fold. And from here, we're just going to have a seat down on our glutes with the legs bent in front of us. And let's go into some Russian twists. So bring your hands to prayer position in front of your chest as you twist to the left, lowering your elbow down. And now you twist to the right. And we just have 8 more alternating sides. All right, this is our last 2 and last 1. Extend your arms in front of you and slowly roll down onto your back. Walk your feet back close to your glutes. Keep your arms reaching up, and let's peel the shoulders and the back off your mat, reaching forward. And now we slowly roll back down. Let's do that 7 more times. Make sure you go slow, make sure your movements are controlled, and really take your time. This is our last one, so we sit all the way up, reaching forward, and now lean back slightly, coming into your boat pose. Let's lift those legs and hold. You can do it. Make sure you're breathing. We are almost done, and lower the feet. Don't you feel amazing? Lower down onto your back and take a little breather. When you're ready, we place our hands underneath the low back And let's extend both legs up towards the ceiling, lowering our right leg down towards the mat, but just hover it. And now lift that right leg up. And now we lower our left leg. It's just hovering over the mat and lift it back up. We have 8 more. Last 2. And this is our last one. And let's hug the knees in towards the chest. Maybe you wiggle the feet around, flexing and pointing the toes. And you can lower your feet back down. Let's straighten our left leg onto the mat. Extend your right arm overhead, and you can bring your left arm out to the side for some support. Lift your left leg as you reach for your left ankle or your left toe, and now lower back down. And you already know we have 7 more.
What they prefer. I don't touch no wheel cause I got a chauffeur. That's how I get around the world. Just miss me with the drama. Unless you come in with the drama.
All right, last 2. And this is our last one. Let's go straight into the other side. So we have 8 on this side. This is our last 2. And last one. Great job. Let's straighten both legs down onto the mat, reaching up. Let's take a full body stretch. And we end in our butterfly, bringing the soles of the feet together, relaxing your hips, relaxing your belly, and just taking some deep breaths. Take one more breath in through your nose and let it out through your mouth. Thank you for practicing with me today. Everything that you need is on the screen and in the description box below, including longer live classes that I teach outside of YouTube. Make sure you like this video, subscribe for more classes, and I'll see you in the next one.